Hey babes, welcome back to another video here on Sips, Lips, and Makeup Tricks. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I would love to have you hang out for a while, see if you want to stick around, become part of this beauty YouTube family. I would love to have you. I do a lot of BoxyCharm over here, Ipsy makeup hauls, trying new makeup out. And let me just stop and say really quick, if you're new and you don't know, I have a 1-year-old and a 2-year-old, and they are on one today. If you hear screaming, everybody is fine. They're upstairs with their daddy. They're just both having like an off day where they're super cranky. Maybe they didn't get good sleep. I don't know, but it's just one of those days over here in this house. But okay, so moving on. So I'm so sorry for that distraction if you can hear it, but moving on. Like I said, I do a lot of BoxyCharm and Ipsy makeup hauls, makeup and skincare reviews, lots of amazing giveaways. I have 3 giveaways that I need to get out in the mail this week. And I'm also going to be opening up a new giveaway, which I'm very excited about. I had special orders for this giveaway. I spent a lot of money, time, and effort in this giveaway. And I'm thinking about splitting it up into 2 giveaways to give 2 people an opportunity to win, because there's so many amazing high-end skincare and makeup products in this giveaway. If you're interested in my makeup, I'll have everything linked in the description box below. I'm still trying out all of these concrete mineral multi-chromatic pigments that I bought off Amazon. This happens to be the shade Voodoo Doll. So this makeup is totally atypical for me. This is a little bit extreme. I'm kind of more of a neutral chick, but we are super holographic today, and I'm kind of digging it. It's something different. Now for today's video, I'm very excited. I got my first of BoxyCharm Mega Drop Shop order in. I've got 6 orders in total coming, and this one was before they opened up the makeup and skincare. This is from the Beauty Bash, which is more of like accessories and lifestyle products. And I figured I would show you guys what I got. Then I also have another order on the way. And the way I did my shopping this month was I got a couple of the little lifestyle items that I thought were cool that I wanted to try. And then I went in and I got all the makeup that I wanted in one order. Then I went in and got all of the skincare that I wanted in one order. And then I went back 2 more times and just got random stuff that I decided I needed as well. So those will all be coming in. I do have another one on the way, but today this is the lifestyle box, and I decided also I'll do something a little bit different. If you're not with BoxyCharm and you're wondering, are these sales worth it for me? Like for you? I know they're worth it for me, but everybody's different. So I've decided I'm going to tell you with each product, not only in this one, but in all of the ones to come with the makeup and skincare as well. We're going to go through what the retail price on that item is, and then what I paid for it as my member only in the member only sale. So that way, if you're not with BoxyCharm and you've been thinking about it, but you're wondering, is it for you? Is it something that you would really benefit from? This might help you make your decision. So anyhow, one way or another. But anyhow, let's just go ahead and jump in. Now, you guys, I was going back and forth in my mind, deciding whether I was going to leave this product out. Like, do I really need to show you guys that I got this? But I decided, you know what? We're all adults here. What the hell? I'm just going to show it. So I did go ahead and pick up one of the Vibes. This retails for $40. I was able to pick it up for $25. Now, let me just preface and say there is nothing wrong with my sex life. Me and my husband have an amazing sex life, but we did just have 2 babies right in a row. So now we have a 1-year-old, a 2-year-old, and then I also have a 13-year-old from a previous relationship that is obviously here with us as well. So we both work and we've got these babies. And at the end of the night, it's like we're so dang tired that our love life, it's not like we're great together, but it's just our life circumstances have changed, like how often and stuff like that. We're both just so dang tired at the end of the night. So I figured, why not get something that might spice things up a little bit? And this actually looked really nice. Now, we haven't gotten into it yet, but hopefully soon. But the component actually feels really nice, a really soft, kind of like velvety rubber finish. If you got the Trez Loose beauty brushes in your BoxyCharm recently, they kind of feels like that, but a little bit softer. And then I did plug it in, and I don't know if you can hear it, but it's pretty intense on the highest setting. So I probably would, I don't even think I would need the highest setting. And then it also does come with a charging port and instructions, but it's pretty easy to figure out how to use. I mean, so we did get that. And like I said, I think it's actually really, really nice. And it's one that feels like it's made really well. So I'm excited for it. And it does come with the little carrying case, the little zipper case, and then this thing as well. And like I said, it retails for $45. I paid $25. And then to go along with that, this is something that I was kind of interested in. It says the Forever Intimacy Awaken Arousal CBD, like oil, serum, I don't know what we call these for down there, but it is something that is applied topical on the outside, and it's supposed to be all natural, and it actually had really good reviews online. I did look it up. I'm kind of interested to see what it smells like. This is what the component looks like, so it kind of just looks like skincare. It is all natural with CBD, which I am somebody who absolutely believes in and loves CBD products. I think they are very beneficial to a wide range of things. Now this does have a safety seal on it, so that is good. I just broke it off. And it smells a bit minty / herbally. I have not tried it yet, but like I said, I am hoping that soon my husband and I are going to get our fire back, get our mojo back. It's been a minute since we have been as intimate as we used to be, only just because of the change in our lifestyle with the babies. So, and hopefully we're not going to make another one. I can't handle it anymore. We have had enough. At 36 years old, we're done. I'm 36, he's 35. But anyhow, so for this actually retails for $48, and I was able to pick it up for $10. So really good value. And if you're wanting to explore and just try some new things, that's a great time to pick it up, because look at the savings you're getting. Okay, so next, this is something that I have wanted to try. I am actually an ex-smoker. I have not smoked cigarettes in a few years now, but I did pick up vaping instead, and I really want to quit that as well. But I still have some residual color on my teeth from when I was a smoker, and I'm so glad that I was able to kick that. But I still need to kick the vaping now, but I definitely will. And I'm talking about just like nicotine vape. It helped me quit the cigarettes, but now I need to quit that. But that's neither here nor there. This comes with 2 whitening pens, and it is Smile Sciences. It says that it's prescription strength teeth whitening pens, and it comes with 2 in there. This package retails for $80, and I was able to pick it up for $10. So that is quite a savings. I'm going to definitely try it out, and hopefully I'll get some good results. I know in the past I've tried some that I really, really liked, but they made my teeth super sensitive. So the reviews that I was able to see for these were pretty good. So I'm definitely excited to give it a try, and I will definitely update you guys and let you know if it was worth it. But at $10, I feel like for something that retails for $80, that's definitely an amazing value. So if I'm going to pick it up, might as well get it through the BoxyCharm sale. Now, and next up, this is the Brilliant Black Toothpaste with activated charcoal, and it's by Tara & Company, made in the USA, and it's supposed to be a whitening, one of those whitening charcoal toothpaste. It retails for $20, and I was able to pick it up for $3 on the sale. So super, super good savings there as well. I have used charcoal toothpaste in the past that I absolutely loved. I saw a difference right away when using them. They can be a little bit messy, when you're brushing your teeth, the black kind of splatters just like toothpaste does, but only it's black, so it makes a mess. But if you learn how to use it without making such a mess, and sometimes even the mess is worth it, because like I said, the ones that I've used in the past, I saw an immediate difference in the whiteness of my teeth. So I thought this was a good, I haven't tried this one, and at $20 for $3, yeah, I wanted to pick that up. So we got that. And then to go along with that, from the same company, this is the Brilliant Black Dental Floss with bamboo charcoal, and it is biodegradable, vegan, and mint. So anyhow, it comes in a little box like this, and then the floss is on top with one of the little floss cutters, just like a normal floss component. But what this is supposed to do is the activated charcoal on there is supposed to actually whiten in between your teeth while you floss. And then you can also, I think it's cool because you can also see all the crap that you're actually getting out of your teeth when you floss, when you're using the black floss. I did try this last night and I actually really, really like it. This retails for... Oh, this retails for $10 and I was able to pick it up for $3 again. So yeah, I'm kind of excited about that. Like I said, these are just, this order was before the makeup and skincare opened, and I was just going through and finding a couple little odds and ends that I wanted to try, and you know, at the discounted price. So we do have one more product left, and it is from Centered, and it is Sleep Well Wellbeing Ritual Balm, 100% natural portable aromatherapy. And so basically I will show you what the component looks like. It's like a little cardboard thing, and then you open it up. It does have a safety seal, and then it's like a balm that twists up. Has a very lavender, herbal, natural type of scent to it. And what it's supposed to do is you're supposed to be able to rub it on your wrists, your temples, and your throat area. And it's supposed to help you fall into a very restful sleep. I do love homeopathic, natural type of things like that. And I saw this. This retails for $24, by the way, and I was able to get it for $10. And when I saw it, I was thinking of my 2-year-old son. I don't know what happens, but every time it's time to go to bed, all of a sudden he's got this burst of energy from HE double hockey sticks. It's like, oh my God, kid, it's bedtime. Now you want to be like, rah, rah, rah. He's like super, super hyperactive when it's time to go to bed. And I was thinking this might be a natural remedy to help him calm down and be restful before, get a good rest and just feel rested. I feel like he's got a lot of anxious energy for a 2-year-old, and it might just be a normal 2-year-old thing. I don't know, because every child is different, and my other kids aren't quite as high strung as he is. So I'm just kind of hoping that maybe this would help. But then after reading it, it says don't use when pregnant. It is supposed to be all natural, but I am going to do some research before I put it on my kid, just because that made me a little bit nervous. Like, why can't you use it if you're pregnant if it's all natural? Like, what would it hurt? So then that makes me nervous about putting it on my kids. So I'm definitely going to do some further research before I put this on them, and then I will make a decision whether I will actually use it for them once I've done some extensive research on it. So that is it for my little lifestyle haul, and I've got a lot more coming, you guys. Like I said, I've got a huge one that's all makeup, a huge one that's all skincare, and then 2 more separate ones that are makeup and skincare together. So very excited to share all those with you. Also, my BoxyCharm base box for the month of November, my paid for edition, is supposed to arrive today. So I'll probably be filming that video later. And remember that my PR box came with the same choice item as my paid for box. So my paid for box might be a little giveaway video if we got all of the same items in that box, but I will find out soon as it gets here, and I'll be right on here with it. So, and you guys also, I already talked about the other giveaway. That's going to be opening very soon, and you guys, I'm super excited. I am filming this on Saturday. Normally this is a double shift work day for me, but I took the day off because it's my baby's sister's gender reveal party, and we're gonna go find out, am I getting a new niece or a new nephew? So very exciting. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I'll see you soon. Bye.